Hello everyone, it is Susan here. In this video, I wanted to share with you my most recent slow stitch process or project. But before I do that, I just wanted to mention that if you haven't heard yet, I am having a one-day open collaboration. So that means anybody can participate. One day on Saturday, October 16th. And it is for slow stitching. So whether you're very experienced or you've never done it before, I want you to participate. So, excuse me, no skill level requirements. I'm brand new to it, so I'm just learning. But the hashtag will be slow stitch with me. And you include my YouTube channel link in your description box, and I'll include your YouTube channel link in my description box. So I wanted to mention that, and you can just comment in this video if you would like to participate on Saturday, October 16th. All right, so you may or may not have noticed that this video looks a little different, and that's because I am sitting in a whole different spot in my craft room. I was just wanting to, I don't know. Actually, this little table that I'm on, I'm going to be putting my sewing machine on here. Right now it's in the basement, and I have to have my son bring it up for me. And this is where I'm going to put it. But right now, I just wanted to use it to make a couple of videos. All right, so what I did here, it was so fun. It was so fun. Oh my gosh. So I started out, well, it was a piece of a linen napkin that I started with. So that's what this fabric is. And I cut out 5 squares. There's a big 4x4 inch one. That's the dark colored one. And then I had 4 squares cut out 2 inch by 2 inch. And I just placed them in the middle of this substrate. So I was just going to put some charms and some buttons, and I'm like, no, I want to do something different. So I watched a few more videos, and I am just in love with this process because it's so creative, because there's no right, there's no wrong. You do what looks good to you. And yeah, and I love stuff like that. That's why I love mixed media, right? Because there's really no right way or wrong way. So, let me kind of stand here, and I'm going to lift this up a little bit. But I first want to show you, if it's okay, if the lighting is okay, my little bowl of my beads and stuff and buttons that I've been using on my slow stitch projects. And in this case, I ended up digging in this little bin for some flowers. Cloth flowers, and then here are the smaller ones. So yeah, so I just started with those squares. Then I added this piece of lace up here with a couple of little flowers, and then I put a big flower here with 4 smaller flowers around it, and I put 2 pieces of fabric and a piece of like lace on the bottom. And I just thought it was super pretty. And then I added these 2 little pearls. Don't they look cute? Doesn't this look adorable? I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be, I don't know. I'm just excited because I love it. I love it. And I already started working on my project for that open collaboration. Oh my gosh. And it's like it's basically 11 inches by 11 inches, so I keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger with like every project I do. So yeah, I don't know, but anyway, just be creative. That's all I can say. I am not a teacher of slow stitching because I am still a major student of it. So, but just get your stuff out. It doesn't matter what kind of thread or needles you have or what type of flowers or lace you may or may not have. You know, just get some fabric out and start stitching. Look at the back. It's even kind of neat. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about anything, and I will be glad to get back to you. Thank you so much for being here, and I pray that you have a wonderfully blessed weekend. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.